All right, boys and girls, here we are, part 2 here of chapter 7, practice 3. We're going to do numbers 4 and 5 together, and that will leave you with 6 and 7 to finish on your own. So let's get started. 4 times 115. This is still going to be done the same way that you have been working on them. We start with our ones column and then the tens, and then we're just going to add the hundreds column into the mix as well. So let's start step 1, multiply the ones by 4. So 4 times, there's 5 ones, and that equals 20 ones. So let's regroup the ones. There's 20 ones, and basically we have a tens column and a ones column there, so that makes it 2 tens and 0 ones. Step 2, multiply the tens by 4. So there's 1 10 there. 4 times 1 10 equals 4 tens. Let me go back a step here so I can fill this in. There we go. So we have the 2 tens that we regrouped plus the 4 tens that we just multiplied. So 2 plus 4 equals 6 tens. And now let's multiply the hundreds. So 4 times, and there's 1 in the hundreds column, so 4 times 1 is 4. We'll put our answer there. So 4 times 115 equals 460. Oop, I missed it. There it is, 460. All right, and let's flip the page to number 5. So again, we're going to work through here, and it's 242 times 4. So step 1, multiply the ones by 4. So there are 2 ones. 4 times 2 equals 8. Write my 8 there. Notice we did not have to regroup that time because the answer was under 10. So now we're going to go to step 2, multiply the tens by 4. So there are 4 tens. 4 times 4 equals 16 tens. So let's regroup the tens now. So if we had 16 tens, sorry, actually this is tens, so it would be hundreds tens, right? So there is 100, and there are 6 tens. So again, we're going to put the 6 under here, and the 1 goes up there for 16. Now we're going to multiply the hundreds column, which there are 2 times 4. So 2 times 4, or 4 times 2, equals 8, and that's hundreds. Now we're going to add the hundreds, so we have the 1 that we regrouped, plus we have the 8 that we just multiplied. So 1 plus 8 equals 9 hundreds. So our answer for 4 times 242 equals 968. Okay. Now let's just take a real quick look here at number 6. It looks like you'll be regrouping twice here, right? Because you're going to have to regroup from this one and regroup from the tens. So you have to regroup the ones and the tens on that. And looking at number 7, it looks like it's going to kind of be the same thing, where we're going to have to regroup again in both the ones column and the tens column. So finish those up following the same way we've been working on them, the same way we've been doing them. And if you have any questions, let me know, okay? All right, we'll see you tomorrow.